Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with another unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so today I have another unboxing from Coach. Now I'm going to be honest you guys, I already know what this is. Well, of course I know what it is, I ordered it. But I've already seen this in person in store. I already have my opinion on this bag. So let's open it though. The only thing that I did, of course, was just cut the top of the box. And if I did not say, this came from Coach. Okay, you guys, so I saw this online maybe like a week ago, week and a half ago or something like that. And it was a newer bag, and I was like, "Ooh, it's cute." I think I like the design, the structure of the bag and everything, the shape. So I ordered it. It came in a few colors. It came in gold, like a mustard color, red, ivory, black. The black with the jacquard, I guess the jacquard print with the Coach logo all over it. I'm missing a color, and it came in blue. So I ordered the blue bag. This is the Coach Sydney. The Coach leather Sydney shoulder bag or satchel. I'll have the correct name on the screen. I ordered it in the powder blue, this light blue. The color is everything, right? It has silver hardware. So okay you guys, so I took one of the plastic off one of the straps. Like I said, I already went to the store and I saw this. I wasn't intending to go to the store. I just wound up there one day. And come with me to the Coach store. And when I went to the store to shoot that video, I had already ordered this. So when I seen it in person, I was just like, eh. So I already know that I'm not keeping this. For me, it is a little too, it's too wide. It is too wide. I'm gonna get my phone and tell you guys the exact measurements on it. I played around with this in store. It's a beautiful bag. It's a beautiful shape and everything. To me, it's too wide and it's just not for me. So it is fully stuffed. Oh my goodness. They stuff it good. Alright, so here it is empty. It just has one card slot. As you guys can see, it just has one card slot right back here in the back right here. That's probably like the little care booklet or something. And on this side is just plain. It has the little fabric along the side to keep all your stuff from falling out. It's like this tan color. And like I said, this is you can carry it, you know, like this. But it does have the crossbody strap. Everything is silver, of course. Okay, so it has these little leather tabs right here on each side. This one is right here. But to attach the strap, it has this little like D-ring right here. Can you guys see that? I can't tell if you can see it or not. The light is so bright. But there is like a little D-ring right here. And it's on opposite ends. And it's over here on this side that's covered. Okay. So this bag is just one zipper, and this is how the pull tab looks. It's leather. It says Coach on the silver part, but it has the little extra leather part, and it's the same color as the bag. It looks like this. This is on the 4th hook. So, see what I mean? Like, it's just too... It's too bulky, and it won't stay like this. No, I don't. You guys know that I would make this strap longer on here, but see how just bulky it is like this? No, I would most definitely only have to carry this as a handle bag. Yes, as for me, no. I mean, I love the shape of this bag. I just feel like it's too bulky. And of course my phone will fit. It had better. Let me get my phone and show you guys that it does fit. Okay, you guys know I am Team Android, and my phone fits in here fine, no problem. Plenty of room. There is a lot of room in this bag. I can tell you that. It is a lot. I'm trying to hold my phone up. It is a lot of room in here, you guys. A lot will fit. It's just, this bag is not for me. But let me give you the dimensions. Okay, you guys. So on the website, it is in black, Miami red, gold mustard yellow, chalk, and this powder blue. Like I said, in person, I mean in the store, they had like it was black with the Coach CCs all over it. I saw that one, and I think I seen another one. Don't quote me. But this is cross grain leather, inside multifunctional pocket, zip closure. It does have the fabric liner on the inside. The handles are 2 3/4 inches drop. Yes. The detachable strap is 22.5 inch drop for your shoulder or your crossbody wear. This bag is 8 inches long. It is 6 inches tall, and it is 5 inches in depth or width. Yeah, and for the shape of this bag, those 5 inches, that's a little too long. But like I said, it is a beautiful, beautiful bag. I'll put the style number on here, but for anybody who wants to know, the style number is CA202, okay? And it's online right now for $149. I think I paid that. I think I did. Yeah, so. But alright, you guys, so here's the bag. What do you guys think? For me, it's just too bulky. When I went to the store and saw it, I was like, oh no, and I have to wait for it to come to return it. So. It does not have any feet on the bottom, you guys. Again, so. I love the color though. I really wanted a powder blue bag, but this one just didn't work out for the kid. Okay. Alright, you guys, so that concludes my Coach handbag unboxing. Tell me, guys, what do you think of the bag? Do you like the bag? Do you like the shape of the bag? Do you think the bag is too thick, too wide to carry as a crossbody? Let me know your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I will have this bag linked down in the description box as always. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.